Today I am out off of a little fork in the road off the Wagontonguegulch Forest Road. I think it's Forest Road 393, and if you follow it off of the 11-mile Gulch Road, it'll take you back into some really nice little dispersed campsites. So today I started out earlier up at the Springer Gulch campground, and we were just doing some things in the canyon today, and I saw some people on the mountain bikes taking this route. So I thought, well, hey, this evening I will run around and get my mountain bike out and head down this road and see where it goes. And it was just a pretty mountain bike ride. I found this to be one of the prettiest spots in the gulch. Meadowy-like hillsides on each side, draining down into the Wagontonguegulch Creek, and rocks on the other side. Just a cool spot. This place is actually kind of like a manicured park, and it is just really beautiful. This little fire ring here, and the backdrop of that sheer rock cliff, whatever you want to call that, outcropping. This is a beautiful spot out in the National Forest. It probably took me about a fourth of the time to get back down from elevation where I had climbed. And I went back down, spent a little bit of time by the South Platte River, and went back to the campground and we made some dinner. We had a feast tonight. We had 4 steaks and chili. We had to cook the steaks. We were concerned they were going to go bad, so we had an awfully big dinner, but man, was it good. Hey, thanks for joining me for another episode of Eric's Camping Adventures. Come back again next time. We're going to show you a couple spots. We tried some fly fishing on the South Platte River.